Hello my friend, and welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new here. I am Lina Hanson, and today I'm going to take you through a Gua Sha routine. So we're going to start with a warm up and just kind of warm up our muscles a little bit, and then we're going to focus on our eye and our cheek area. So let's begin. So you want to start with a little bit of face oil. So this is Global Face Serum. I love using this oil with Gua Sha. It absorbs into the skin somewhat quickly, and that's what you want. You don't want too much oil on your face when you're doing Gua Sha, but just a little bit of face oil, so it helps with the slip. And this face oil is beautiful. It has so many different antioxidants and really feels so super soft and nourishing for the skin. So I'm going to leave the details on the Global Face Serum in the descriptions below. Okay, so we have our Gua Sha tool. So first we want to start warming up our lymph nodes a little bit, warming up and really increasing that lymphatic drainage before we start the actual routine. So we're going to start by taking the inside curve of the tool here, placing it outwards. Placing it here at a 15 to 45 degree angle. Place your finger here for support and then glide all the way out to the ear like this. And we're going to go 7 on each side. Wonderful. We're going to go on the other side. Remember to breathe. This should feel very relaxing and soothing. Wonderful. Next, we are going to take the inside curve of the tool here and place it right here by the jaw here and move it all the way down to the collarbone like this. 7 as well. Let's go on the other side. So you can really go as slow or as fast as you want, but I always like to go a little bit more slower like this, so it almost becomes a little bit of a meditative practice. You know, we rush so much throughout the day, we're doing so much, and this is really a time for you to just sort of relax and connect and really feel into your skin again. Okay, wonderful. Next, we're going to take the inside curve of the tool again, and we're going to place it here. Place your fingers here by the ear for support, and then you're going to take it 15 to 45 degree angle again and sweep all the way out to the ear like this. Wonderful. We're going to go on the other side. This is going to help with that puffiness in the face, increasing some of that blood circulation, really getting that glow into your skin again. Wonderful. So now that we've warmed up our muscles, what we're going to do now is take this little curve right here, and we're going to start by gently placing your finger here, and then we're going to gently just flick all along the smile lines like this, all the way down from the nose area all the way down to the chin like this. go 5 on each side. Wonderful. This is really going to help smooth out those smile lines right here. So we're going to go on the other side. Just also going to release the tension in this area, increasing some of that blood circulation as well, getting some fresh oxygen and nutrients to this whole area. You feeling that? It feels so much more relaxed here in this lower part of our face now. Next, we're going to take the inside curve of the tool as well here, place it right here on the nose, and we're going to go all the way up to the ears like this. This is really going to help sculpt and kind of define this whole cheek area so it kind of becomes a bit more lifted. So we're going to go on the other side. Wonderful. It feels so nice to do these exercises with this tool because you can feel as you're doing these exercises how your face is just kind of calming down and how your muscles are relaxing. Wonderful. So next we're going to go to the eye area here. So we're going to take the little corner here and we're going to gently place your hand here, your fingers above by the eyebrow. And then you're going to take this small rounded edge here and glide it all from the inside corner of the eye on the brow bone here, moving all the way inside, going all around into the edge here. It's going to help with any puffiness. And gently opening up the eye. Wonderful. You see the difference here now? Just by doing this a few couple moments here, you can see the difference in my eye already. So we're going to go on the other side. Remember to be very gentle around the eye area. You don't want to press too hard. But we're just gliding. And also make sure you have enough oil on your face and around the eye area here so you're not tugging. So this should actually be more like a glide. Wonderful. Next, we are going to take this corner here as well and go underneath the eyes here and move all the way out. Wonderful. Wonderful. Next, I'm going to just rub my palms together here, get some warmth. And then I'm going to place my hands here on my face, sealing in all that work that we did. Take a nice deep breath. Remember, this is not just taking care of your skin, this is actually taking care of your whole emotional and mental well-being as well. This is really just a moment for you to connect with yourself. Wonderful. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you liked this session, and if you like this, you might like my other Gua Sha tutorials over here, so make sure to check out those next. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.